Digital technologies, such as drone-based multifunctional monitoring system, Beidou navigation system, big data analysis, and intelligent irrigation control system, have been applied in central China's Hainan province to assist farming and harvest. In a pilot digital demonstration farmland in Shayi County, a drone equipped with the Beidou navigation system is used to carry out plant protection operation. Through the digital agricultural management platform, the temperature, humidity, wind power and moisture content of wheat fields can be monitored in real time.
土地里面的这个水分含量、氮磷钾以及有机肥的各种含量，根据这个含量不同，由农业专家进行含量配方之后，然后通过这个滴灌技术或者喷灌技术，把它一次性的就实施打药和灌溉一次性完成，而且这个用量比较精准。由大数据平台经过分析对比之后，进行精准的决策来指导我们去种这个地，可以达到粮食稳产增产的目的。
Farmer Han Shichuan planted more than 6 hectares of wheat. It only took less than 2 hours to complete the irrigation of Han's wheat field by using automatic sprinkling irrigation equipment.
自动灌溉不仅能浇水，还能施肥，缺多少上，浇多少水，施多少肥，也就是说这个智能控制，对咱老百姓来说，节约了成本，方便了管理，